Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create a can mock-up like this in Photoshop. So, open your blank soda can photo in Photoshop. Now, select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of approximately the can size over the can. Make sure the stroke is none and choose any color in fill. Right-click on the rectangle layer and then click on the Convert to Smart Object option. Reduce the opacity to nearly 50%. Now, press Ctrl+T and then align and scale the rectangle with the can. Right-click and select the Warp option and then adjust the rectangle around the can, something like this. Increase the opacity to 100%. Turn off the rectangle layer. Select the image layer. Now select the Quick Selection tool and select the area where you want the label to be visible. Now, go to Select, Modify and Smooth. Here, keep the radius at 5 pixels and hit OK. Right-click and choose Layer via the Copy option. Right-click on the copied layer and select the duplicate layer. Drag this layer at the top. Now, turn on the rectangle layer. Right-click on it and select the Create Clipping Mask option. Turn this layer off. Now, double-click on the rectangle layer, and it will open a new window. Here, drag and drop your label design and scale it as per the rectangle size. Once done, close his window and select Yes to save it. Now, change the blending mode of this layer to linear burn. Turn on the top layer and then change its blending option to soft light. Now, select the base image layer. Select the Quick Selection tool and start making the selection of the whole can. Once done, right-click and choose Layer via Copy option. Select the bottommost layer and then create a solid color layer. Here, select the background color of your choice that matches your mock-up. Now, change its blending mode to linear burn so that the shadows are visible. Reduce the background color opacity up to 75%. Now, you can change the background color as per your choice. We are done. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.